heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you?
Hi you all, I am mscocohair. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today we have an exciting video, you all. Today is all about this beautiful, gorgeous, short wig, this short bob, 12 inches of water wave hair by the company MsCoco Hair. I would love to thank MsCoco Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so here's the box. MsCoco Hair, 12 inches. They give you an elastic band. It's adjustable with their name on it. It says MsCoco Hair. They have their stock card on how to care for the unit. They include a satin baggie that says MsCoco Hair. Human hair, high quality and affordable price. Inside you get 3D eyelashes, a nude wig cap, a beautiful purple bonnet, 2 alligator clips, a blue edge brush, a pink straw comb, and it seems like a headband in here. Super cute. I love that they have the information here. It is 12 inches long, a water wave texture. It's a short wig. So here's the pretty water waves, so pretty. Here is the lace frontal ear to ear, is nice and pretty. The lace is a pretty brown color. You get about 4 combs inside and 2 adjustable straps. So let's get into installing her.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights.
but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets.
Alright, y'all, so let's see what we have here. Ooh, honey, we are laid over here, okay? Laid. So cute, right? Alright, so let's go into the lace with our Flower Beauty Powder Light Illusion in the shade Caramel and a skinny brush. And then taking a sponge, we're gonna blend that all in so that it's not too harsh, you all. And there it is, there we have it. So I'm thinking today that I'm gonna attempt to use the headband that they included in the package. Alright, y'all, so here is the completed look. I just used the headband that they included. I think that the pretty, you know, green and pink kind of matches my top here, so I love it. It's actually a dress, so yes, it matches my dress perfectly. This unit was super quick and easy to install, you all. Cute, summery, short water wave bob. Perfect for the summer and the spring and for vacation, you all. You all saw that I just wet the hair with water as usual in my spray bottle, and then I followed up with mousse because curly hair loves mousse. So, and this is the look that we have. So cute and effortless, right? Initially, the unit came parted on the left side, but I just switched it over to the right. And voila, here we have it. So this 12 inches is hitting me perfectly right at the top of my shoulder. Perfect, perfect. It's very bouncy, very flowy. You all know that I love water wave hair. It is one of my favorite textures. I love that this can be styled as a ponytail as well. It looks so good with or without the headband, you all. It's so versatile. Look how nicely the hair air dried, you all, as well. Absolutely beautiful. I didn't style the other side only because you're not gonna see it, so I just focused on what's gonna be seen. Okay, so I would love to thank MsCoco Hair again so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video. I'll be sure to leave this unit directly down below in the description box at your convenience, as well as all the other products that I used today in the install. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.